Hello dear student, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here I will have to explain about the light, that is the chapter number 15, on which we have already discussed. So in this concern, class 7 we will discuss over here about that the how light travels, or what is the importance of the light, or properties of the light. In the previous chapter I have already told you about the properties of light in some extent, but in case of the laws of a reflection, there is two laws of a reflection given as. First one is, if there is a light rays falls on any object, it will get back into its or bounces back into its medium. So this one is called as a reflection. So what is the laws of a reflections refers to? Laws of reflections refer to as, if there is a incident rays, reflected rays and normal all lie in a same plane, then there will be the reflections followed. If there is no three lines are not pointed at a particular point, those on a line or in a plane, so this will not the reflections. The second laws of reflection is what? That is, if there is angle of incident and angle of reflection, that is reflected angle and the incident angle, if they are both equal, then there will be the possibility of meaning of the reflections happen. In the next case we will discuss about the image formed by the plane mirror. The image formed by the plane mirror is referred to as what? If there is an object is placed over here in front of the plane mirror, so how this image can be formed over there? You know that in front of the plane mirror always form the image in behind the mirror. So this mirror will be also form the image in behind the mirror as well. So if there is an object is placed in front of the mirror, here is the incident rays and it is the reflected rays. That rays are strike or intercept at a particular place on which this image may be takes place or this image may be formed. How we can say, if there is a object has to place in front of the mirror, so its image may be formed in behind the mirror. How it is possible? These two light rays falls on particular plane. This has to be intersected to one another at a certain point. From these certain point where these intersected to one another or meet to one another, there will be the image formed takes place. So in this concern we will say that there is a image formed by the plane mirror takes place. Next we will discuss about that the curved mirror. What is the curved mirror? Curved mirror are those that is not the flat, it is a curved. How it can be? It can be of two types. First one like this and second one like that. If there is an image which is formed by the curved mirror, they has the property to change the images formed by the plane mirror as well. How we can say that? If the image formed by the curved mirror, this has been two types. What are these? First one is formed by the outer or outward areas or outward surfaces, And the next one is image formed by inward surfaces. That is, this one is inward, and here is this one is inward and that one is outwards. Inward, in case where will be the image formed? If it is light rays falls on it, they can be scattered or they can be diverges. Why? Because this mirror also called as a diverging mirror. And in case of a converging, when the light falls on it, this can be converged at a particular place and a particular focus. That focus is considered to be as here. So this one is called as a focus, and that one is called converging mirror. This is converging and that one is called diverging. This could be takes place as in the form of divergence. So this image formed where this could be of this image. Suppose if it is a image, so this image formed over here in the smaller form, and this will be formed, it is in the larger form. Why? Because if it is smaller, so light will be converted or conversion takes place in a smaller point. This is all about this topic. We will discuss on later. Angle of incidence, or it is called as a incident angle, and these angle which forms here, that is said to be the angle of, or it is reflected angle. It is said to be reflected angle. Now here is the law created as the angle of incident and angle of reflection must be equal. If there will be the reflection takes place, there will be chance of reflection due to one reason. That is what? The angle of incident or the incident angle is equal to the reflected angle. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So this, if it is followed, then there will be the reflection happen. If it is not followed, the reflection could not be happen. The next rule is said, that the incident rays, the reflected rays, and the normal lie on the same plane. What are these? The second rule or second law is that the incident rays and the reflected rays and the normal lie on the same plane. This is what? This is the mirror and this one is the plane. It is the plane or it is the surface on which the light strikes. So we could say that this one is the plane. So the incident rays, the reflected rays and the plane lie on the same and the normal, right? And the normal, these normal lie on the same plane, then there will be the reflections happen. So these criteria, these two criteria takes place by which there will be the reflections occur. Next one we will talk about next one we will have to discuss about, that is optical image. What are these? The optical image, to which we can say the optical image, it is said to be either it is real or virtual. Might be it is real or virtual. So what does mean about that the optical image? What is the optical image called? We can say the reproduction of light rays that might be reflected or refracted. If the reproduction of a light rays got refracted or reflected, and which affects or which differs from the other one, through which if the conversion takes place or if there is a diversion takes place, that image is formed due to either the conversion, either the diversion. So that one is considered to be as optical image. Or in another word we can say, when there is a reproduction of a light rays takes place, after the refraction or refraction or reflection, what will be happen? Which differ from its true position. After being reproduction of the sunlight or the sun rays or the rays, if after getting refraction and reflection, if it is differ from the true, so that one is called as it is differ from its true position, so that one is called as the optical image. So in optical image there is a two type of images formed. First one is a real image and second one is virtual image. How these images may form? Real image and optical image. First one is real image. How these real image forms? If you have placed yourself in front of the mirror, you can see there is a image formed that are as real as you, same size, same characteristics can be drawn, and this image could not be placed on any screen, or you can say, sorry, in case of a real image, this image is considered as the image which can be projected on the any surface on any screen. So the real image is such a type of image that can be appears or that can be placed or projected over the screen or any other type of a level, or you can say any screen it can be represented as the actor and actress represented in a movie, in a cinema. So this image can be represented at the this can be represented on the hall or the cinema hall in a screen. So that one is a form of a real image. So the real image can be projected on a screen, but the virtual image cannot. You know that real images formed in front of, or you can say in front of the mirror. Real images always form in front of a mirror, but the virtual image cannot be formed on the front. This can be formed behind the mirror. So what will happen if you have placed yourself in front of the mirror or a plain mirror? What will happen? Your figure or your image formed in behind the mirror. Why? Because it cannot be screen or it cannot be projected on a screen. It cannot be go through the screen. So these are the basic differences. In these two images, there are, in case of a real images, if it is the position, so the rays which is actually intersect to one another, the rays actually intersect to one another, then the image formed. This type of a image is said to be real images, and if the image could not be placed on the screen, that means this image only seems to be or appears to be either meet or intersect, but it actually not intersects or meet together. Why? Because if there is an image formed, this could be formed only by this could not intersect to one another. This feels to be or this appears to be intersect, but actually it cannot intersect to one another. So on that basis, it could not be placed on the screen. Why? Because it could not be placed